Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how we can save the multiple contacts in our mobile phone at a time. Many a times we have a situation like we have multiple contact numbers in the typed format and we need to save all those numbers into our mobile phone, and it is very difficult to save 100 and 200 contact numbers by manually. So let's see the process. So this process of conversion will be in three different steps. In step 1, you need to prepare one Excel file of 3 columns. The first column will be your first name, second column will be the last name, and third will be your contact number. This 3 column you have to prepare first, and then you have to add the first name, the last name, and the contact number from your list. So let's say we have this list. Okay, so from this I want to add only this first name, last name, and number part. Rest everything should be removed. So what I'll do, I'll copy these things. So I'll copy this thing, and while copying it, just make sure you just copy only the values. Don't copy any formula, don't copy any other things, don't copy any formats. Okay, so I have just copied it and just paste by value. Click on paste by values. So this Excel sheet I have prepared. Just save your file once, and once you have prepared this Excel sheet, your step 1 is over. Now for step number 2, you have to open your Visual Basic prompt. So for opening the Visual Basic prompt, you can press Alt F11. So this after Alt F11, your Visual Basic window will be opened. So in this Visual Basic window, you need to enter one code. That code I'll provide to you. So this sheet 1, we were working on the sheet number 1. So if you right click on the sheet 1, you'll see view code here. So just click on the view code, and then your code, you have to paste your code here. Excel to VCF, your file name, and now this is the code we have. So this Visual Basic code we have. So just copy this code on this platform. So after copying this code, this is the second step we have done. So this code I'll provide in the description box. So once you have copied this code, you have to just press the button F5. That's third step. F5 will press. So this is showing a message, the contacts converted to save this path. This is a path. So this contacts will be saved on the same folder where this Excel file is saved. So I have saved this Excel file on this folder. So you can see one VCF file here, output VCF.VCF. So this is nothing but your VCF file of 50 contacts. Only thing is you have to do, you have to send this VCF file via mail or via USB cable to your mobile phone, and just open this VCF file. Once you will open this VCF file, entire contacts that is shown on this Excel sheet, that will be saved directly on your phone. Okay, thank you very much.